guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning in my mini happy planner. It's a dashboard layout and I'm planning for the week of July 6th through the 12th. I'm going to be using this Happy Hostess sticker book. I'm going to be honest with you. I literally pulled out these pages, pulled out this book. No clue what I'm going to do. So I hope that's all right with you guys. Sometimes I have a little bit of a clue, like a sticker I'm going to use. I have no idea, but I know I love this book. And I thought it would be really cute in my mini this week. So let's just get to it. So I know there's these florals in here and I'm going to be using some of those. I don't have a lot left, but I do have some. So let's just see. I do have these, which are so cute. Let's start out by putting these down because these make me happy. The colors are so pretty. So let's just do it. Let's just put it right down here. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, like I said, but I know that that's pretty. So why not put it down? So since I have that, I'm going to need to bring some on this side. I really could just bring it all the way on the side here. Let's try it. Like right down the middle of the page. I know that it's going to be across some of the days, but I can put boxes over them. So let's try it. This says, I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. That's really cute. Why don't we use that too? I hate that says, I hate that says important. It's annoying to me. I hate this box. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I hate that box. But I'm either going to white it out or not white it out. But what if I put one of these? Let me see. Just thinking it through. What if I kind of just did this to sort of camouflage it a little and take off that important? And then we're just going to layer that on there. And I know that's like transparent, but I think that I'm okay with that. I think that's cute. Okay. This might be a quick video. It feels like it's going to be a quick video, but I might be wrong. I might be wrong about that. We'll see. So over here, I can just leave these or I could put something in its place. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. I think instead of dinner plans up here, I'm going to do something different this time. I'm going to do top 3. I'm going to do some priorities up here. And this can be top 3 things for me to do, or it can be top 3 errands. I don't know yet, but I don't have to put the dinner plans in my mini every week. I had been doing it, but I also sometimes write it in my other planner. I also have a dry erase board in the kitchen that I use for meal planning. Sometimes I'll just quickly jot it down on the dry erase board because it's right there and I look at it when I go into the kitchen. So it's possible I might just do that. All right, that's cute. Let's keep going. Are there long box stickers in here? I don't think so. They always help, but there's not. How about sorry, just thinking it through here with you guys. I really like this. This is list of things to buy, and I never need this long of a list because it's usually things to buy that, well, I do put my groceries in here sometimes too, but I never use the whole list for it. So I can switch it up and take those off this time. This could be things to buy that are like not groceries, like because I need to keep track of, like, you know, do I need printer ink? Do I need to buy a bathing suit? That kind of thing. So maybe I'll use it for that. Or do I want to, maybe I'll use it for that. Let me just put that here. Okay. Maybe I could cover these up with like one of these bright colored ones. How about one of the red ones? Those dots don't all match up to the lines, which is always annoying, but uh-oh, I need to white that out, I guess. Or do I just take it down to there? I don't know. Let me just take it down to there. I'll cut that off right here. Okay. I think it's really cute so far. It's like different, but cute. So, I feel like I need something else. Like, well, obviously this has to, something has to go on over here. So let's see. What if I took this? Let me pull this up. I'm just gonna put this here, right at the top here. I know there's lines there. I'm okay with leaving them like that. It's not a big deal. And then I'm gonna cover that. I know that looks a little random, but you know what, wait. Instead of that, I want more room to write, so I'm gonna just cut the top of this off. I'm gonna take this part off on the top and like kind of move it up so that that sticker doesn't cover this part. So let me do that. Okay, do you see what I mean? Now it looks a little strange to me there. I don't know, something's bothering me about that area. Maybe this needs to move over a little. Pulling up stickers as usual. Nothing new there. Okay, so what if I brought this over and kind of like overlapped some of this and some of that? I think that looks better. It doesn't look perfect, but I think it looks better for sure. I know there's just a big yellow circle in the middle of the page, but I think I'm going to bring some yellow on this side to sort of balance that out. So let's see what else we have here. And maybe some of these lemons to kind of balance out the lemon situation. How about a little yellow circle to match that yellow circle? My kitchen is for dancing. I know that doesn't really make sense, but to me it balances out that thing. All right, I'm gonna stick this down. I don't think I'm gonna use that. Okay, I need like little boxes. I'm not sure I'm gonna find them in here. Oh, there is some more of these. Maybe I do use these. I thought there was just one of them. I don't know because I can't use them over here, so I don't think that makes sense. I want some like random lemons and limes over on this side. Now that's the only navy on the page. Do I bring in more navy, or just do I take that off, or do I let it go and just go with it? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I wish I had another lemon, but this is the only Happy Hostess book I have, even though I love this book. I have these little boxes, but I'm not sure they're what I want. Let's just try a couple. Maybe not that big, maybe one of these. Put that, how about that across here? Okay, and then a green. I wish I had a yellow, but I don't. How about a purple? There's no other purple on the page. Another red. That's too balanced. I'm out of some of these. Oh wait, there's a green, but there's this green up here. Let me just put this. Ooh, that does not look good. Wait a minute. Let's rethink. What if? If I put this on, it's going to bring in some of that navy. So that's a thought, but there's so much of that green up there. I don't know what to do. Unless I took this one off and brought in this one instead. Let's just try that. That might make more sense, and then I can bring in a green sticker. And it won't look like, oh, this might rip though. If this rips, I don't have another one. Oh no. I could bring in the undo, but I have like whiteout under there, and I don't know how it's gonna react with the whiteout, so I kind of don't want to do that. Let me just do my best here. There we go. That worked out pretty good. Okay, so let's take this to do. Put it on here. And then we're going to take this and put it here. And then maybe like another one down there. Also this lemon. Just pulling up over here, okay. And then like figure like one more down there. maybe the purple will look better down here because it's the only one I have left. I think that's okay. It's not great because there's no other purple on the page, but I think it's okay. So over here, I might want to put something like to buy, and I saw these. Decorate order. I could put order. Let's do that. What color? I think like the red. Okay, I know there's like no other black on the page, but I think that's okay because it's just a very subtle little thing up there. All right, did anything else? I think that's all I need. I think it's cute, you guys. I was a little unsure, and I'm still a little unsure about this situation here, but I honestly think it's cute. It's not my favorite ever, but it's not my least favorite ever either. So I'm okay with it. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Stay tuned for Doodle of the Day, and don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, check out my Patreon. All that stuff is in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.